If you're new to Twitch, just like myself, that is also new to Twitch, and you wondering how can you go live and save your live stream, just like what I just found out right here. So this is just a quick tutorial on showing you how to go live on Twitch and also saving your live stream so that other people can go watch, and you're gonna find them in your home sections, and I think also on videos. Yeah, yes, also on videos. So real quick, so you have to go to your browser, you have to use a computer. If you're going to be doing this on your phone, then you have to switch to desktop mode. Once you go to the top right on your phone browser on Chrome, you will see something like this, the three dots. You click on it and you see something around here. Because this is my laptop, you're not going to see this say switch to phone, to desktop view. So let's get straight into how to save live stream on Twitch after that. Now you come to your, once you get to your home section, once we click on your profile icon right here, you see it on your left side on your mobile phone. Most people use Android like myself. So right here, after clicking your profile, you see drop down like this. Then you see channels and creator dashboard. This is where we're going to. You click on creators dashboard and you're just gonna wait for it to load up. Then you're gonna see something like this. All this is gonna be confusing. Don't mind this. Like I said, I started streaming just yesterday, so this is your metrics and all that. So anyway, you need to come to the left side here where it says home and stream manager. Click on stream manager, then you get to this section right here. So this is also like some breakdown information on things about your stream so far. Now the main place where we head into, or what we need to go to, is here, settings. So click on settings and you go to stream. Once you get to stream, you're going to see right here. So if you're going to be going live on third-party platforms, you need this link to put the stream key. Anyway, now where we head into is just right here. So you see disconnected. Okay, not that. This is where we head into, this section here. So you come to this place that say enable clips. So enable the creation of clips from your stream or broadcast. Users can see the clips and all that and all that. So you're just gonna toggle that on. Then if you want to do your categories you don't want on your platform or your channel, then you'll do the settings right here. Then if you want your categories to be exclusive, you're just gonna do all of that right here. So once you're done with this, if you go live, the moment you go live, you're gonna be seeing your streams being saved on your profile, like your channel, yeah, something like that. So yeah, that's just basically how it works. Let me know in the comment section if this helped. If you did, let me know. Smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. For now, bye for now.